Question number 3. This graph shows the temperature in 6 cities in one day in January. So we've got all of these different cities are all over Europe. So we've got Kiev, Berlin, Rome, Oslo, Paris and Madrid. Which city was 4 degrees warmer than Kiev? Well, the obvious thing to do here is just to actually go to the bars and write on the temperatures of each city. Don't be afraid of writing on a bar chart or a diagram if it's going to help you, and that will probably help us here. So Kiev, that bar is level with -2. Berlin's bar is level with, well, it's halfway between -4 and -6. So halfway between -4 and -6 would be -5. So Berlin is -5. Rome is up here, and that's an easy one. It's level with 6. Oslo is below 0, so it must be very cold, so that's level with -8. Paris is level with, if you read it across, is level with 2. And Madrid, if you read up to the bar, it is between 8 and 10, which is going to be there, which would be 9. So Madrid is 9. Now we've actually got all the numbers on the bars, the question should be fairly straightforward. So, which city was 4 degrees warmer than Kiev? Well, Kiev is -2. So if you go up 2 degrees, that would take you to 0, and another 2 degrees would take you to +2. And 2 degrees plus another 2 degrees would make you 4 degrees warmer altogether. So which city is level with our +2? If we read it across, it's going to be this one here. So Paris is the answer to the first question. Because -2, which is Kiev, plus 4 degrees warmer, is going to take you to 2. And Paris is the one that's on 2 degrees. There is another question. So what was the difference between the temperature in Oslo and the temperature in Berlin? Well, Berlin is -5 and Oslo is -8. So the question is, how do we get from -5 down to -8? Well, if the gap between 5 and 8 is 3, the gap between -5 and -8 is still 3. Even though they're both negative, you don't say that it's -3, because all we're looking for is the difference, the gap, and the gap is 3 degrees. So your final answer is 3 degrees, because all you're doing is you're going from -5, which is here, this would be -6, 1 degree, the second degree would take you to there, -7, and the third degree would take you to -8. So you're just saying how many degrees it takes you to get from -5 to -8. Answer, 3 degrees.